again to you, my Father. There's one thing that I'd like to say. I'd like to talk to you when I'm down on my knees, to give you thanks, to give you praise. But I've done that sin again. There is one thing that I'm trying to say. Please forgive me. I will never do it again. Receive me. Wanna feel your warm embrace again. Lord, where would I run to if you turn your back on me? I'm your child. Please forgive me. I will never do it again. Receive me. Wanna feel your warm embrace again. Lord, where would I run to if you turn your back on me? Lord, I'm your child. Please forgive me. I will never leave this place to forgive me, my Lord. Cleanse me and make me whole. Let your blood from your veins run from head to my toes. Leave me clean. Hear my prayer and be my help in my way. There's some three words that I'm trying to say. I fall short of your glory. I'm not worthy to call on your name. I've done wrong, Lord, I'm sorry. Please forgive me and make me whole again. Please forgive me. I will never do it again. Receive me, receive me, Father. Lord, where would I run to if you turn your back on me? I'm your child.